Hey guys, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. In this video, we are going to talk about something important. And before we head into it, I would like to thank all of the subscribers here who are supporting us throughout our journey till now. And for those people who are new to this channel, I would request them to please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, Coders Arcade, and press the bell button so that you won't miss any future updates. So share this channel as much as possible, guys. So let's start now. So here in Coders Arcade, we are starting our software testing training. And in this software testing training, I will tell you what all things we are going to do. So here, first we will be talking about software testing, where we will be talking about manual testing and all the testing basics. So here in manual testing, we will be talking about everything in manual testing. So we will start our journey with manual testing in our whole software testing course, and then we will slowly progress. Then we will be learning about software development methodologies. In software development methodologies, we will be learning about different models that we have. So we have agile model, we have waterfall model, we have VNV model and derived model, hybrid model. There are so many different models that we are going to learn about in this software development methodologies. After we finish that, we are going to start with Jira. So Jira is a project management tool. So in manual testing, you will be writing your own test cases manually in an Excel file. Here we can write our test cases. We can update all our test cases. Instead of writing them into Excel, we can update them in Jira, and in Jira we can track our progress of our whole software testing project that we are going to do. After this, after once we finish Jira, we will be learning about Confluence. So Confluence is used for documents. So here we will be creating our reports, we will be creating all the documents related to whatever software testing we are doing, that can be kept in our document repository like Confluence. So Confluence is just like a document repository, you can say. Then once we finish that, we will come to our main course here, and which is Python. So Python is one of the programming languages that we see in today's world. It's a high level programming languages, and we will be using Python only to do all our software testing aspects. We will be doing software testing using Python in Python code. In Python, we will be learning about Python basics as well as object oriented programming in Python. And also we have made Python playlist where we have already completed our Python course. So this is the Python playlist here, you can see. So this is all about Python. Once we finish Python, we will be going into data structures using Python. So data structure is a very important concept. It's about advanced Python. Here we will be discussing about different data structures like stacks, queues, linked list. There are different types of linked list, single linked list, doubly linked list. There are so many topics here in the data structure. So basically we can say it's advanced Python, and how we can manage our data using data structures in Python. So that is our data structures in Python. So we will be learning about that also. After that, we will be learning about file handling in Python. So when we will be doing testing, we will be creating we will be doing different types of testing like data driven testing and so on. So there we will be using different files to take input from those files in our automation script. So we will be having all our data into Excel file or Word file or text document, and from there we will be extracting data. So we will be basically handling all those files. All the data will be extracted from there and will be put into automation script. So here we will be learning how to handle files using Python in that, so that we can apply that into automation testing, where we will be creating scripts and we will be using those files using Python only. So here we will learn about that. Then we will learn about databases. So databases is very important here, because in databases we will be learning about MySQL. So here we will be learning about what are databases, why do we use databases, and how to create database, what to save in database. All those things will be covered into databases here. And here we will be learning about MySQL here. Once we complete that, we will be learning about how to connect our database using Python. So here we will be creating our databases, and all our test cases, our reports, everything will be stored into our database. And how we will be connecting our database to our code, we will be learning all about that in our databases Then finally, we'll come to automation testing using Python with Selenium. So here Selenium is one tool that we will be learning about. What is Selenium? Why do we use Selenium? Why it's used in automation testing? All of that we will be discussing in this. Using that, we will be combining it with Python language, and we will be seeing how we can perform automation testing using Selenium in Python. Next, we will be doing robot framework. So robot framework is one of the frameworks that we have in Python, which uses its custom command. It's same as using Selenium with Python. So robot framework is based on Selenium. It uses Selenium, and it has own set of codes through which we can create automation scripts in Python. So it's a Python framework that we can use. So what is the difference between frameworks? Why we are using robot framework and why we are using Selenium with Python? So using Selenium with Python, you can write native code, and using robot framework, we can write our own simple commands, and then we can create our automation scripts. That is robot framework. So we will be learning about robot framework as well in this whole course. Then once we complete robot framework, we will be learning about Git basics. So you might have heard about GitHub, right? So GitHub is a repository, and Git is a version controlling system. So we will be learning about version controlling systems as well. So what is version control system? Why do we use it? All of that will be covered into our Git basics. So here, this is Git basics. So Git basics is very important. So we will be learning about that also in our course. Then comes our continuous integration and deployment using Jenkins. So this is CI/CD, guys. It's a part of DevOps, and here we will be learning about this using Jenkins. So whatever you have test cases we were creating in the whole course, we were creating that into our local machine, right? So now using Jenkins, Jenkins is a remote agent. So using this Jenkins, we can run our test cases using a remote agent like Jenkins. So with this, we will be finishing our software testing course. After this, we will be learning about how you can build your own resumes. So resume building will also be there. What to write in your resume, how to make it more attractive, what all things you have to include in your resumes. That will be there into our resume building part also. Then after this, we will be doing interview preparations, where we will be taking mock interview sessions, where we will be having mock interviews. We will be teaching you about different interview questions, how to tackle interview, how to talk in interview, how to present yourself in interview. Everything will be covered in this interview preparation. And after this, group discussion session will be there, and we will be telling you how to keep your point in front of so many different people in one group. At last, we will be doing presentation skills and grooming sessions. So here we will be telling you about how you can present yourself in front of so many people. And then we will be having grooming sessions, where we will be learning about all the things that we have learned in the whole course. We will be revising everything from beginning till end, and we will be coming on to conclusion. We'll be summarizing everything in our grooming sessions. So that's it, guys, for our training course. And with this, we have come to an end to this video, guys. If you want to enroll our courses, you can contact onto these numbers which are visible to you on your screen here. And you can contact us through WhatsApp. You can contact us through mail. You can call us directly in order to enroll these courses. We are going to charge very nominal for this course. So it's a great opportunity, guys. Go grab this opportunity. So that's it for you guys. Thanks for watching. This is Ashank David signing off. Peace out.